Alright, now for the Docker commands. Now this lecture is just an overview for Docker commands, okay? No hands-on, alright? Just to have a good grasp of the whole thing, alright? You can see that either from the official documentation from here or by using the Docker -- help. And you can see that Docker has a lot of commands actually. As you can see, the options, the management commands, the commands like attach, build, diff, whatever, okay? So each of these commands has a lot of use cases, like the attach, like the build, like the builder, like commit, the Docker copy, as you can see, copy files folder between container and a local file system. We have Docker history, the Docker images, Docker image, all right, Docker logs, Docker log out, Docker remove I, which is the remove the images, okay? Now we have Docker top, so as you can see, the Docker BS, Docker tags, Docker volumes, Docker version, where actually we have a lot of commands actually, but the most important commands actually, they are the Docker BS, and as you can see, if I type the Docker BS-A or Docker BS, all right, we have the Docker images, we have the Docker kill and put the ID, Docker run, Docker attach, and we have a lot of options and a lot of things. These are the most that we will not forget the Docker logs and actually Docker stop, Docker restart, a lot of things actually. Remove, RMI, push, pull. There are a lot of commands actually, but these are the most important one, and we will use that into practice in the next lectures. So this lecture was just to show you that we have a lot of Docker commands and how to use them. They are very simple. How to see them by using Docker -- help, and here you can see, so for the info, display system-wide information. As you can see, every command has its own description, all right? Now again, I'm gonna say it over and over. We are still on the theory part, so when time comes, we will learn everything and we will use everything, and we will have a good practice actually and a step-by-step practical lectures. All right, thanks for watching.